HDMI to DVI cable, 10-pack 6 feet, 1.8 meters. HDMI male to DVI-Digital, 19-pin male cable supports Full HD 1920 by 1200p, 60 Hz, 1080p, single link, 3.9 gigabits per second bandwidth, 24 bpp, RGB, color depth. Durable. Full HD high-speed fully molded cable with durable PVC jacket for high strength and reliability. Flexible PVC strain relief prevents fraying or damage due to repetitive bending or rough usage. Ideal for commercial environments. Quality construction. 28 Aruban Florence wire with gold-plated connectors, and superior ME shielding with Al-Mylar foil and copper braid improve signal integrity and reliability, providing higher quality video and audio. Applications. This cable connects HDMI devices such as laptops and desktops to your DVI digital monitor, DVI display, projector. Ideal for viewing on larger screens. Works with Samsung, Dell, HP, Acer, LG monitors. Specs. 6 feet, 1.8 meters, black, HDMI, 19-pin, male to DVI-Digital, 19-pin, male, gold-plated connectors 28 Aruban Florence, 0.3, 7.3 mm, OD PVC jacket, ME shield. Al-Mylar foil with copper braid, 10-pack. Top reviews from the United States. Simple adapter for DVD-D monitor connector to HDMI port on laptop. I use 3D CAD software, and I need a large monitor. It worked on my Dell Inspiron. Just plugged it in, and voila! Stay-at-home stuff. I brought a large monitor home from work, and I needed this to make things work. It saved me gas money for the commute, and potential COVID-19 infection.